This week on The Inside Scoop.
Have you ever wondered what it's like inside your microwave? You know, where you get to see the outside of the screen and you see yourself in the reflection? Well, guess what? You're going to experience that right now. With me and my microwave. You will need the following items to complete this process. A microwave, a camera, and some technical way to keep the light on inside your microwave so you can see. Now we go for it. Now let's look at it from another angle. That's the other angle. Now let's look at it from the back. Okay, now we only have one more angle left. Here goes. That was the last thing. See you next time. That's the other angle.